Hello, my name is Patrick, and today on the RapidPress Rundown, I'll be discussing the correct way to use the RapidPress depth gauge and why it is important to use on every install. The RapidPress depth gauge is an essential tool for quick and easy pipework installation. It ensures the correct insertion depth of the tube into the coupling to create a leak-free connection. The depth gauge comes with different measurements, allowing you to measure from 15mm right up to 168. For sizes from 15mm up to 108mm, you slide the gauge over the tube wall and mark it once it is inserted to the bottom of the slot. For sizes 139 and 168, you use the outside of the gauge for marking. Adhering to the insertion depth specified in the technical guide, it is crucial for achieving sufficient mechanical strength in the press fit connection. The marked insertion depth on the tube must be visible next to the coupling end after pressing, and the fitting should not exceed 10% of the required insertion depth from the press fit formed end. The depth gauge is lightweight and small, making it convenient to carry in your pocket at all times. If you have any questions about the RapidPress depth gauge or anything else, please get in touch with the crew at the Metal Company because we make buying stainless steel easy.